Welcome to my channel. Adding polynomials. Ang gagawin lang natin ito is i-combine like terms. Hanapin lang natin yung magkaparehan ng mga exponents at variables. Always remember, pag nakakita kayo ng x, it doesn't mean na magkaparehas din sila ng x. Yan. Pareho lang sila ng variables. Pero hindi sila exactly the same. Do you know why? Kasi this one, when being compared to x squared, iba yan sila kasi ito, 1 man ang exponent dyan, tapos ito 2. Ang kaparehas lang niya is this one. Ang kaparehas din ito is this one. Okay? Repeat ko lang kaparehas sila. Oh. Ito naman, magkaparehas sila nito. Okay, let's start. Combine like terms kasi. So all you have to do is simplify first, distribute the signs bago natin combine ang like terms. So, let us copy this trinomial 3x plus 7x squared minus 6. Then distribute these signs, negative times positive, negative times positive. So negative times positive is we have negative 5x squared. Then negative times positive, another negative na naman. Then copy. Then negative times another negative, another positive. So we have negative. Then copy the 9. So dito na tayo mag-start mag-combine ng alike terms. So just like what I have said a while ago, it doesn't mean na magkapareha sila ng variable na x, 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 x. Hindi na yan indicator na exactly alike yung ano nila, variables. Doon tayo titingin sa number of exponents. Ibig sabihin, i-combine natin yung magkaparehas exactly na walang, yung may mga exponent, i-combine yung mga magkapareha ng exponent at walang exponent at constant, ipag-combine yun. So let's start it. This 3x has the same variable with negative x. Ibig sabihin, i-combine natin yung dalawa. 3x, then minus x. Okay? Next, ipag-combine man natin itong dalawa o yan, yung may mga dalawang exponent. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, the same yan sila. So, i-copy natin to. Plus 7x squared. Then ito, negative 5x squared. Then next, alin pa ba? Yung mga constants. Ibig sabihin yung constants, wala silang kasamang letters or variables. We have here negative 6. Diba walang variable yan? And negative 9. Yan sila ang mga constants. So let's copy them. Negative 6 or minus 6 minus 9. Okay. Mag-combine na tayo, ano na yan, i-simplify na natin. Gusto kong gumamit ng color ng black para sa final answer. Okay. 3x, automatic yan na minus yan. 3 and then minus 1. So we have 2x. Okay? 7x minus 5x plus 2x squared. Kasi yung 7 at 5 pinag-minus natin. Tapos copy the variables. Next, negative 6 minus 9. So since the same yan, ipag-add natin pero copy the sign. So negative 15. So our answer for today is 2x plus 2x squared minus 15. Okay, next. Proceed tayo dito sa number 2. Gagamit na naman ulit ako ng red. Wait, sa ita-transfer ko muna ito yung final answer ha. Para hindi naman maduming tingnan. We will copy dyan. 2x plus 2x square minus 15. Yan yung sagot natin for number 1. Para i-erase ko to. Yan. Proceed na tayo. Wait sec. Muna. Sa red. Okay, copy. Since positive man yan, automatic pag ipag-add mo yan dyan, the same din yung resulta. So pag plus yan, ibig sabihin right, plus, then copy. 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. Dito naman, minus man yan. So automatic negative times positive. So magiging negative 3x squared. Negative times negative plus 5x. Then negative times positive, negative 7. Then combine the alike terms. So, ang magkaparehas niyan, x squared, 2x squared, negative 3x squared. So, let's copy x squared plus 2x squared and minus 3x squared. Okay, next, yun yung magkaparehas. Ito namang negative 7x. Alin pa ba ang kaparehas dyan? Ito, positive 2x plus 2x, then positive 5x plus 5x. Yan, di ba? Magkapare-pareho sila ng variables. Apart from that, itong constant na tayo. Positive 10. Ano pa ba? Negative 3. Then negative 7. Parang wala na. So let's continue. Gagawin kong black para diretso na yung sagot. So 1 plus 2. Yan, 1 man yan. 1 plus 2. So 3. 3 minus 3. O 0. Diba? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Hindi man pwedeng ang sagot ay square. No. Very wrong. Just indicate 0. Then ito naman, i-cancel natin, eliminate natin yan kasi 0 naman yan. Ito din naman, negative 7 plus 2 plus 5x. So we have negative 7 plus 7x. Negative 7x plus 7x is 0 pa rin. Eliminate na naman. Ito, 10 minus 3 minus 7. So 10 minus 3, 7. Positive 7 minus 7, 0. 0 na naman. Meaning, the answer for this is 0. Write 0 once. You don't need to write 0 repeatedly. Okay, only write 0 isang beses lang. So our final answer is 0. Sana naintindihan niyo yung explanation. Thank you so much.